Liverpool detects Van Dijk's replacement at Sevilla. Liverpool are reportedly interested in centre-back Loic Bade as a replacement for Netherlands captain Virgil van Dijk, 33. However, Mundo Deportivo revealed that Sevilla will not listen to offers below €20 million for the 24-year-old Frenchman. The defender has become the player in the Spanish squad who has gained the most value in recent months. His good work at the Olympic Games, where France won the silver medal, led him to respond to the call from Didier Deschamps, the head coach, twice. However, he was unable to make his debut due to physical problems. Before the transfer window closed, Stuttgart and Roma made offers to Sevilla that the Andalusian club rejected, with the player also agreeing, preferring to stay and extend his contract at the Sevillian club for 2 more seasons than the previous ones that had been signed, until 2029. Now, he is in the running to make the jump to the Premier League, as it is no wonder that Liverpool themselves are monitoring the player as one of the alternatives to replace Virgil van Dijk. As reported above, Sevilla will not listen to offers of less than €20 million for a player who arrived on loan from Rennes and for whom they paid $12 million to make the purchase option effective. BRABO is currently focused on the senior French national team, but did not play against Israel on Thursday, nor will he play against Belgium on Monday, as he has a muscle injury that prevented him from making his debut in the blue jersey. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.